Let me show you how I make the spaghetti with broccoli that is so unbelievably delicious and so easy, economical, and perfect for Lent season. Although you can absolutely serve it at any time and just serve your choice of protein alongside. It's so good. And it takes something as humble as a head of broccoli and turns it into something so sensational. It's hard to even explain, but you're gonna have to just trust the process. You'll take a couple of heads of broccoli, take out the hard stem at the bottom, and then take the rest and chop it really fine. In a large skillet, I added about a quarter cup of extra virgin olive oil, a clove of garlic, and a couple of little peperoncini, although you could just use a pinch of hot pepper flakes. And once sizzled, you're going to add your broccoli in. Now you're going to add a good pinch of salt to the broccoli. And you're just going to go ahead and cook everything together for a few minutes. At this point, you should also already have your pasta water well salted on the stove, getting ready to come to a boil. And then you're going to go ahead, and once you season it and cook it all together, you're going to just cover this and let this cook on low, giving it a stir every now and then until the pasta water comes to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, add your pasta. I'm using spaghetti here, but you could use any pasta that you like. Give it a stir. Make sure it's well, well coated or well in that water. Get that going. And then when the pasta is about 2/3 or so of the way cooked through, you're going to take some of that starchy cooking water. Now the starch is going to help you create like a creamy sauce here. It's also salted, so it's got good flavor. You're going to add some to it. I do about 2 or 3 ladlefuls. And as it starts to cook down, I kind of smush the broccoli down because you want the broccoli to be very, very well cooked here. And when the pasta is a couple minutes shy of being al dente, you're going to just take it from the pot directly to the skillet along with another half a cup or so of that starchy water, a couple tablespoons of butter, and a good pinch of black pepper. And cook everything together for just a couple of minutes until it's almost fully cooked. And you can see that that starch really helps that sort of water create a really luscious and almost cream-like sauce. It's insane. I also added a little lemon zest. It was hard for you to see, but I'm trying out this new angle, so bear with me. And then lots of freshly grated parm, and give everything a really good stir, cooking together for a couple of minutes, and it just makes for the most creamy, rich, luscious, yet affordable dish, and you're just gonna love it. It's so fantastic. If you're familiar with spaghetti alla nerano, which is essentially sort of the same thing but using zucchini, this is like that but with broccoli, and it's sensational. A little extra virgin olive oil on top, lots of parm before you serve it, and it is perfection. A recipe in the description, and I hope you love it and I hope you make it. Bye bye.